In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download everything on Google Drive in just 5 minutes. If you've been wanting to have all your important documents, photos, videos, and files accessible right from your computer without navigating through a web browser, you're in the right place. Let's dive in and get started. First, to kick off the process, head over to the official Google Drive website and download Google Drive for desktop. You can easily find this by visiting google.com Drive Download. This application is a great tool because it allows you to synchronize your online Google Drive files with a folder on your computer. This means once everything is set up, you can smoothly access your files without needing an internet connection every time. Once you've initiated the download and the file finishes downloading to your computer, the next step is to install it. Simply open the downloaded file and follow the on-screen instructions to install the application. Once the installation is complete, it's time to sign into your Google account. Make sure you use the same credentials you typically use to access your Google Drive in your web browser. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, you might be asked for additional verification to ensure your account is secure. Now, with Google Drive for desktop installed and your Google account all set up, you'll see a new option to synchronize your files. Here comes an important decision point. Choose to sync My Drive to a specific folder on your computer. You'll be prompted to select the location where you'd like your Google Drive files to appear. Choose a spot on your computer where you have enough storage and where it's convenient to access later on. The synchronization process might take some time, depending on the size of your files and the speed of your internet connection, but once it's done, your Google Drive files will be accessible directly from the folder you selected. It's that simple. Google Drive for desktop works efficiently in the background, ensuring that any changes you make in your synchronized folder are updated in real time on your online Google Drive and vice versa. This means your local files and online files remain consistent, giving you peace of mind. After the synchronization is complete and you've ensured everything is available on your computer, the final step is to open your designated folder. From here, you can easily browse through all your files and decide where you want to copy them. You're free to organize them in any way that suits your needs or migrate them somewhere more permanent, and that's all there is to it. You've effortlessly downloaded everything from Google Drive to your computer. Now, whenever you need your files, you'll have them right at your fingertips. I hope this guide was helpful to you, and remember, if you found this video useful, feel free to share it with others. Happy organizing,